Greetings fam, imagine a next-gen 3D printer that blends AI-assisted printing, multicolor capability, and high-speed Core XY performance into one sleek setup that basically turns ideas into physical objects with minimal effort. Today we're reviewing the Creality SPARKX i7 Combo, and I've gone through official specs, launch details, and real user feedback across the internet so you can understand if it's actually worth your money or just another flashy upgrade. If you're thinking about stepping into smarter 3D printing, tap the link in bio for more details and access. This printer is built around a Core XY structure with a build volume of about 260 by 260 by 255 mm, roughly 10-inch class, which puts it in a solid midsize category for home creators and small studios. It supports speeds up to 500 mm per second with high acceleration tuning, but like most machines in this range, real-world quality printing usually happens at lower speeds for better surface finish. The included CFS Lite system enables multicolor printing with reduced waste, making it more efficient than traditional filament swapping setups. One of its biggest selling points is the AI-driven workflow. It includes AI photo to 3D conversion, which lets users generate printable models from images without needing full CAD skills. Paired with auto bed leveling and one-click setup, the goal here is clearly to reduce friction for beginners while still offering enough control for advanced users. This is reinforced by real-world coverage that highlights its focus on plug-and-play, usability and fast setup times. Turn 0 Search 5. The multicolor system is where things get interesting. CFS Lite supports up to 4-color printing in the standard setup, with claims of reduced filament waste compared to older systems. Users and early feedback also highlight smoother filament handling and easier loading compared to previous Creality multi-material setups, though it still adds complexity compared to single-filament printers. Print quality in real-world use is generally strong for PLA and PETG, especially for decorative models, figurines, and functional prints. The direct drive system and input shaping help reduce ringing and improve edge sharpness, but as always, tuning matters. AI camera monitoring is included to detect print failures like spaghetti or layer shifts, which can help reduce wasted prints, though it's still not perfect automation. Connectivity is modern, with Wi-Fi, USB, and cloud-based printing through Creality's ecosystem. The interface is designed for quick navigation, and the RGB lighting isn't just aesthetic, it also acts as a status indicator during printing. Noise levels are also reported to be relatively low for a high-speed Core XY machine, making it suitable for home or small workspace environments. In real-world use cases, this printer fits hobbyists, designers, educators, and small businesses that want fast prototyping with less setup friction. It's especially useful for users who want multicolor prints, AI-assisted model generation, and a more guided printing experience instead of fully manual calibration-heavy workflows. Now the honest drawbacks. The advertised 500 mm per second speed is mostly a peak figure, and quality printing will usually run significantly slower. Multicolor systems like CFS Lite introduce extra filament handling complexity, potential clogging points, and more maintenance compared to single-spool printers. Early user feedback also suggests that while the ecosystem is improving fast, software and firmware still have occasional rough edges, especially around app reliability and workflow consistency. It's also not as open or customizable as traditional enthusiast-focused printers. Overall, the Creality SPARKX i7 Combo is worth it if you want a modern, beginner-friendly Core XY printer with multicolor support and AI-assisted features that simplify the entire printing process. But if you're an advanced maker who prefers full manual control, maximum tuning freedom, or ultra-reliable industrial workflows, you may find it a bit restrictive. For most users though, it sits in a very strong, smart all-in-one category. Click the link below for the best price.